So from where you can easily download the data, and it's available for the all country. We can see it show the all of country. So simply choose your own country. Suppose Bangladesh or his country you need. So simply choose the Bangladesh or others, and you can see the shape file. Okay, you can see level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. Country, division, district, sub-district, union. Okay, so just download the shape file. Okay, so here I already downloaded the shape file. Just let me open. Oh, where is it? And this one. So if you check, all of file I already have in here. So if I open in the QGIS software, so then you can get the idea. Suppose you can see for that 0. So 0 SSP, just I call the shapefile. So it show the only for boundary. So you can see the one is for division. Okay. Then if you say the 2 is the district. And if you check the 3 SSP, where is it? 3 SSP, it's a sub district. And finally 4 is the union. Okay. So you find out, you can see all of administrative boundary. Okay, total 5 level. Okay, and 3, 4, and 3, this level is not available in Google Earth Engine, but level 1, level 0, and 2. Okay, 0 and 2, this 3 level is available in the Google Earth Engine, but level 3 and level 4 is not available. So how I can work with the level 3 and level 4 on Google Earth Engine? So further we need to upload this data. This data I need to upload in the Google Earth Engine server. So how I can upload? So let's go show you that. So for that, simply go to the code editor